Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Bulls and Bears. Uh, the name Bulls and Bears comes from the trading environment, which is what I would love to cover. Would love to cover trading of equities, derivatives, and other financial instruments that are traded on exchanges. I'm not here to sell any product. I am not here to sell crypto. I've never traded in crypto. I do not have any um, knowledge that I can share that would be worth your while in crypto or forex. Um, I have a number of years experience as a stockbroker in the investment banking space, um, and those are the areas that I would love to share information on. The reason why I had decided to start the channel is that I find that a lot of people that I come across do not understand what stockbroking, trading, and what happens on the JSE. So I thought, let me do this so that I can help educate some people and hopefully some youngsters who are looking into getting into the industry. At the core of the industry would be the exchanges. I would start off with the biggest exchange in Africa, which is the JSE. Um, Previously, it used to be known as the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. They changed their name to JSE Securities Exchange, and if I'm not mistaken, they are now called JSE Limited, as they are a listed company on their own exchange. A little bit of history on the JSE itself. I think it was started around about 1887, if I'm not mistaken, during the South African gold rush. And obviously there was a demand for capital, and gold miners used the issuance of shares um, to raise capital. That is an interesting topic that we will cover in a different video in itself, where we explain the exchanges and who and how uh, do you access the stock exchange. In this video, let me just cover maybe the history of the exchange itself. There are other exchanges in South Africa. Up until recently, JSE was the only stock exchange, but we do have other exchanges now. I think A2X, ZARX, and recently there was another exchange. I think it's called the Cape Town Stock Exchange. But let's focus firstly on the JSE for now. Back in 1887, during the gold rush, I think the first company to list on the exchange was a gold mining company, which was followed by PPC, which also makes sense in terms of the progression and the growth of the economy then. PPC was known as Pretoria Portland Cement. And also, I mean, obviously, we all know that South Africans are a beer loving company. SA Breweries was also one of the big counters or companies to list on the exchange. The JSE itself is officed in Sandton. This happened, I think, in the start of the 2000s. Prior to that, they were based in Johannesburg, Diagonal Street. They cover a number of of markets, the equities market, which is the shares, derivatives markets. They also cover fixed income, which is known as the bond market. They also cover currencies, currency exchange, and a number of other instruments. So I guess for now, this video is just an introduction of the video channel, Bulls and Bears. You're welcome to send in questions, suggestions, etc. I will try and make a video at least maybe once a week or as time permits. Feel free to send in those questions and suggestions. Like and subscribe to the channel so that we can grow and cover a broader view of the markets. I will also try and have short snippets of maybe the week ahead, what happened in the economy, just to get you to understand what drives the market, what drives trading, and hopefully that will help a lot of us better understand the South African economy, the trading environment, and also the exchanges itself. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoy the content. I will be making another video shortly. Please like and subscribe to the channel.